how do I let go of fear and anger? Well, these are all emotions. How do you let go of emotions? Where are all these emotions when you are sleeping? Where did you keep them? You see? These are all flashes happening through you. So if you start witnessing them, you start, okay, I'm getting angry now. Okay, look at this fellow, now he's getting angry. You see from outside, be angry. Don't suppress it. Because then you will take it to somebody else who are vulnerable. So better express your anger, but expressing the anger without attachment, so that there is nothing inside. The moment you are angry and really angry, all your energy is sapped away. It's your weakness. But if you express anger, it's your strength. You know the story of, I'm talking about our real world. How many of you seen me before? Are you? Okay. So it's actually in one of the videos is there. There was a snake in a village, a very, very ferocious snake. It bites a lot of people and they die. So there was a path connecting two villages going through this village, and people were afraid to go through this path because of the snake, huge one. So one day, one monk was coming that way, and the snake came to bite him. It approached him with a lot of ferociousness, tried to bite him. So the monk said, "You can bite me and kill me because I'm a renunciate. I have no family, nothing. Nothing is lost for me. But can I ask you a question? What will you do with this karma of killing people? What will you do with it?" The snake thought for a while. He never thought about it before. He thought for a while and said, "Please help me, please guide me, give me good advice." So he said, "Don't kill people. You live and let them live. This is the way to exist in this world." Snake was happy. It went away. The monk left, and a few weeks later, the monk was coming back through the same road, and when he reached almost near this spot where he met, he had forgotten about it. He saw one snake almost half dead. Big, huge snake, but full of wounds and almost dying. So he went to the snake and said, "Are you the snake which tried to bite me? You had attacked me earlier and wanted to kill me. Are you the same one?" Then he could hardly speak. He said, "Yes, I am the same one." Why, what happened? Why are you like this? They said, "You told me not to bite, so I stopped biting, and all these villagers and the boys and the children started throwing stones at me. I was not reacting. So what happened? I'm almost dead now." Then the monk said, "You did not understand my message. I said, don't bite. I never said don't hiss." You see? So, if sometimes in this world, you may have to express anger. You may have to hiss a little bit, so that the other people will know that you could be potentially dangerous. You see, this is okay. This is important. That is not because you are that. You are not your anger, but you are expressing an emotion which people will understand. Sometimes, if you operate in that way, you are successful. You are powerful. But if you actually become angry, then your energy is gone. It sucks away all your energy. And afterwards, you will feel miserable. You will feel guilty, miserable. So guilt is a very useless emotion which anybody can carry. If you carry guilt, drop it, because this is a thing related to the past. Past is finished. You cannot change it. You can only do something in this point in time. This is the only point in time you have. So all these things are coming because of indiscriminate action, indiscriminate thoughts and words. So you can definitely hiss, but never bite. Violence always leads to further violence. Understand? Violence is never a good thing to do, but you can always discuss. So fear, again, fear is illusion. Fear is something, see, for example, the room is dark. Always everybody feels a lot of ghosts. You see, when the lights are on, it's all fine. These are some idols or some pictures and things, they are not ghosts. So it's a perspective. It's the way you look at it. And the more and more awareness grows, the lesser the fears. When you have lesser awareness, more are the fears. So the solution is increase your awareness. You know, try to climb further more steps so you can see better. And how do you do that? Understand, you've chosen the time of birth, like that you've chosen the time of death. Whatever is born will have to die. You know, nobody is permanent. Nothing is permanent. No situation is permanent. No emotion is permanent. If there is clarity like this, you will float through the whole thing. Otherwise, we will think we are permanent. We want everybody's property, including the neighbors. And then we want all the good things of life. Nobody else should have it. Like that, we will start calculating and entering into more and more miseries. This is why we see the lot of greed and the pollution and the killing and stuff happening in there. You know, why we are sitting in a situation where we have to protect ourselves from even the medicines. You know, medicines are supposed to protect us, but we have to protect ourselves from the medicines because the whole idea has changed. Instead of preserving a body, it is like controlling a body. You know, minus medicines, no existence. So the whole perspective changed because of the greed factor, profit factor. So understand, the world is what it is today. Now you have to maneuver. And how can you express anything positively in the world? Lead by example. Live it. Living it is the best way of conveying a message. If you can't live it, there's no way you can tell it. And even if you tell, people will understand he's picking up from the books. You know, somebody's idea, not his. Otherwise, from the eyes, you will know that this man has experienced it, or this person is living it. This is the biggest thing you can give to the world. An experience expressed through life.